morning, motherfuckers. It's a beautiful day. Anyway, I was asked to upload a story because they wanted me to just kind of like expound on something that happened to me. And I had to keep it as a private video. And when you watch it, you'll understand why. So if you want to know what it's all about, you'll have to direct message us and I'll send you the link. However, this is only to the witches and the people into the occult and the vampires and the werewolves and the alts, basically. Anybody who likes to have a bit of a dabble, be careful and watch this because it's a little bit sad, it's a little bit happy, it's a little bit manic, it's a bit demonic, and it's very, very real. Watch it.